Happy birthday to you. My beard look big still, huh?
There we go. You look like Avery.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
Good morning. Today is my Gina Curl, my rescheduled Gina Curl because I had to have surgery. And Nana's gonna get one too, so we're gonna be Gina Curl buddies. We have our appointment at 11, so we're trying to, you know, bring some lunch with us because it's gonna be a long day. I'm excited, I'm a little nervous, but then if my hair falls out, I'm like, I was gonna cut it off anyways.
Why would your ear
just
fall out?
kidding. No, you know, you're just getting a chemical process, so you don't something there. You don't know,
Yeah,
your ear gonna respond.
you guys are weird though. But that there's a possibility that my ear is gonna fall out.
It's not gonna fall out. She just
That's crazy.
call it.
I'm just being funny. But anyways, I just feel like it's my last resort. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cut my
where's
hair
this thing?
low, right in that blue bag hanging on the hook. Yeah, you could bring the
Front
blue
door,
bag
so?
if you want. Yeah. So yeah, so we're heading out,
Be careful, yeah?
and
Be
hopefully
careful.
all goes well. I have my reference pictures. I know what I want. I feel like Nana's gonna want something similar. I just want I didn't even do my eyebrows today. I just want curly curls. I don't want any waves. I'm not really a wave girl. I like my curls. I just don't want to be dealing with my hair constantly all the time, taking a whole day to do, and then all of them something there, you know. Sometimes I just feel like you're a slave to your hair, and if it don't look nice, then it can't go away, and nobody got time for that. So, and Nana don't have time for that because Nana have to do her own hair, and then she does the girls' hair, so
And then do your hair.
and my hair. So that's a lot. Natural hair is a lot of work, especially when you have 4C hair. If you know, you know. So we're just gonna try and make our lives a little bit easier. Anyways, we'll see you guys when we get there. We left something at the house, so we're just picking it up. I told him to bring the bag because I can't bother for him to search. So see you guys. So we're here. Hold this for me, babe, please. I'm just gonna put my stuff on because it's freezing outside. It's not? Maybe because you're coming out the hot car, you feel that way. Okay, fine. So I'll just bring my coat in my hand. Then if you're saying it's not that, it feels freezing. Mommy, come on, fire and turn fire now. Should I say it's not freezing?
That's alright, that's all good.
Yeah, but it's still cold, right? Doesn't mean it's not freezing. Just because you're going close, it's freezing. So we're here. Love you, babe. Kisses. I brought my bag so I could do some work. Yeah? I'll tell them to tell me that. Love you. Here's the sign. We are here. We are here. Whew. Mommy is walking down. Whew, let's go. It's freezing out here. Thank you. It's upstairs, I think. I'm just so bad. Bye. Nana, say hello. Nana.
Oh.
Hello. So we're getting the
Did you see
chemical
downstairs in
in.
the front window? Did you notice it this morning?
What? What's up, Colin?
You didn't notice it. What is it?
You know, I'm nervous because last time I was
It
in the
looks like
salon,
somebody- it looks like-
I went to cut all my hair off.
No, it looked like somebody threw like coffee up at the top of our.
To be continued. You're not in it.
Okay.
I thought you said you didn't want to.
All right, can we back?
I got him.
It looks like it's. Looks like when you get a relaxer, you know.
Wait, let me call it. It looks better for your video.
So mom's over there. I feel like we're about halfway through the drying. Mommy na at. Mommy. She's not even hearing me. She's into her socials. But yeah, I'm here. I asked them to put small rods in the front because, you know, I'm just growing back my hairline. Yep.
Sunday, you're gonna shampoo twice, rinse that really well, condition, rinse that really well. Follow up with a leave-in conditioner. Follow up with a leave-in conditioner. You're gonna put it all around.
Always
Where do you
do
wanna wear
that.
it? Apart anywhere or just let it fall?
This side way.
This way? Part it here?
In the middle?
No.
Sideways. So part it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like doing all those extra things. I just feel like it's so stressful to plan that before you go.
Yeah.
Especially if your life is busy.
Yeah.
I just, ooh, this is so curly. Oh my God, girl.
That's gonna be so cool.
You know, I love me a curly curl. Yes. I live for curly hair.
Alright, and all the way back.
I already love how the little short ones are falling because you know I love that umbrella stuff.
Me too.
Yeah, girl. Can't talk to me. Ooh. What are you putting now?
This is a curl cream. So this is shingling. You want to make sure you section your hair when you apply. Always. Just don't just like put it in like that because you just get the exterior.
Oh, they have a curl cream. I didn't buy it though.
A what?
A curl cream?
Oh, their curl cream? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. You want to do a curl cream.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah. So no, stay away from the mousse. Stay away from the custard.
Yeah.
Just because I don't want you to get excessive shedding. Like
Yeah.
if your hair can obtain like that on your porosity level.
This is so cute. Look at me. Can't chat to me now, chat. You can't chat to me. Am I Gina Curl Ray? Yeah. Yes, girl. Gotta hear it. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Ooh, child. I don't even know if I see nothing, you know. I don't even know. Yeah. Love the cut. Yeah. Check out Nana. I'm showing Nana. Yeah, Nana got it going on. Yep. You like your hair? Yes. Nana likes curly hair. So, I'm back home from my Gina Curl appointment and my hair is completely dry now. So, I really like it. The curls are very springy and I can shake it. Yeah, I like it. I'm trying to go closer because I'm looking in the mirror also. And I'm a little blind. A little bit. So, yeah, I don't know. I like going close up in the mirror. Anyway, so I asked Gianna to cut it in this shape because that's the shape that I wear my twist in. Not no twist out. I don't do no twist out anymore because I don't have time for all that detangling and retwisting and making sure it's dry again the next day because you have to spritz it a little bit and all of them excitement there because I don't have time between my work days to make that happen properly. And I don't want no twist out and when it come out it don't really look like it twist out. And yeah, I'm not really in them some of them. I like my hair to look cute and neat. Alright, I'm gonna say twist on anything now, but if your twist out don't come out right, sometime it don't look neat. Okay, alright, don't look neat to my standards. Anyways, yeah, this is it. This is the cut. I love it. I love it. And I cannot wait to wash it and see what it really looks like. Because I'm hoping to be like more of a... I was a 4C, so I'm hoping to still be in the 4 family, just looser, to be more manageable. Don't mind the dirty clothes over there. Just a couple things not in the hamper because I have a husband who he don't care about all that, you know, neatness and stuff. But I'm still pick it up for him. Yeah, so this is it. And I got the blue, a few yellow just in the front part because you know I'm going back my edges, and then the blue and pink in the rest of it to get like the volume and the curl. I'm gonna say even though it having the pink, it's still curl nice. It's still curl tight and bouncy. Boy, I mean, I tell you, yeah, Ray. You know how my original, well, I don't know if you guys know, but my original curl pattern is coils and they're very springy, so I was nervous that I would have waves. And I don't really like the waves life, so yeah, curls galore. I'm so excited. Yeah. So I can't wait to wash it and see how much bigger it gets. For real. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna wear it like this for 3 days. I'm going to church, so race somebody I go see me in it. Where don't depend. But if somebody name Instagram and don't depend my text messaging. So that's exciting. And then yeah, I'm gonna wash it on Monday before work. And then put the leave-in and the curl cream and be on my way. Wait, I'm gonna dry it a little bit though, because out there it's chilly. It's a little nippy. So I have to dry it. Not blow dry, but diffuse. You could diffuse it and it'll be fine. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna wear it for the rest, for probably the whole time until I go back there. I'm not gonna tell no lie. I don't have no plans. So don't worry about style. If that's what you're looking for, I am not your girl. I'm just gonna live it in my normal lifestyle how I do. I want as little manipulation as possible in terms of all the cornrow, or as we Jamaican people say, cane roll and plait up and them something them, and I really want to do them only pass something there. I just really want to avoid it, not because of the Gina Curl, but because I just don't want better with all of them excitement there. I just want to wake up, do my ear, swoosh, stop, squish, squish, and go. That's the plan. So that's why I got it. If I ever do feel to do something like that though, if I ever feel to do something like that, I will show you guys how it come out. But yeah, the curl them out, go on with them self, baby. All the skin is skin. I need a little bit of moisturizer around here, but that part of my face is always the driest. Like around here, my forehead is always moistly shiny. I don't even know if that's the terminology. And then the rest of me is good. But wow, the skin is skinning. Hello. Whoa. Yeah. You know, like when I get a new ear, the way you just can't stop playing yourself because you're cute. Yeah. You see, that's something like when my hair look presentable, and not that natural hair is not presentable, but when I can't manage and comb my hair so it is, that's a problem. When I can just be up and take a little bit of time and can go to see people and don't look mad and them now go tell me for go home from work because I look crazy. Yeah, I like neatness. Yeah. You're not get tired of me. Boy, I go get a neck, what you call them, something there? When you drive and your neck go forward, a whiplash because the way, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. Yeah, man, now get tired of me. I get whiplash. Oh, a couple people I never send picture to me, I'm go send it to them. Bye. I think that's making a video. I don't think.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.